Welcome to the Shakaama Live Show with your host, Shakaama. We're continuing our Trending Gadgets series. Today we're talking about the Revolution Cooking R180 High-Speed Smart Toaster. Be sure to like and subscribe. One of the reasons I've given up on eating sliced bread is because my toaster has a mind of its own and either burns my toast or under-toasts it. There's no consistency. And I find using my OTG oven, toaster, grill just too cumbersome during the morning rush. To my mind, innovations like the Revolution Cooking R180 High-Speed Smart Toaster hold the promise of fulfilling breakfast ritual. Imagine using a two-slice toaster that allows you to customize your bread just to the right amount of crispiness. Toast number 1 and toast number 10 will be the same shade of brown, crispiness, and texture, meaning as moist as the first slice, without a fuss. Claiming to be the world's first two-slice high-speed smart toaster, the R180 comes with the 3 different modes, 7 different shades, and 5 food settings. Play around with the settings to settle onto one that suits you, your taste, and requirements. The tasting compartment is big enough to fit in a cut bagel as well as a waffle. The R180 has setting for English muffins, waffles, and toaster pastries. The uniqueness is that the toaster heats up and toasts in a fraction of the time of conventional toasters. The R180 is unlike the typical toaster and is designed with a diamond-shaped head heating system which works as the browning element. This affords a toaster the promised consistency every single time you toast your bread. Sporting an intuitive touchscreen, the toaster allows you to customize toast settings and preferences from here. There are specific settings for a variety of breads and is very user-friendly. According to some users, the bagels fit in perfectly and you don't have to force them into the slot. Some of the specs include countdown timer, removable crumb tray, clean crumb tray reminder, analog or digital clock with a date, brushed stainless steel finish, and smart algorithm control system. You can also buy a smart toaster in the comment section and in the info section. Be sure to like this video and leave a comment. I love reading your comments. Thank you so much.